Hi everyone. Welcome to LabVIEW Simplified, your ultimate hub for learning LabVIEW. My name is Engineer Ehsan, and I've been working with LabVIEW for over a decade. With a master's degree in electronics engineering, I've developed, tested, and deployed numerous software solutions across various engineering fields. On this channel, I'll be sharing tutorials, tips, and projects to help you master LabVIEW, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. My aim is to make learning LabVIEW easy and enjoyable, breaking down complex concepts into simple, understandable steps. Today, we're going to start with the basics and get you up and running with LabVIEW. So let's dive in and begin our journey into the world of LabVIEW together. What is LabVIEW? LabVIEW, or Laboratory Virtual Instrument Engineering Workbench, is a system, design platform, and development environment for a visual programming language from National Instruments. Founded in 1976, National Instruments (NI) is a leader in automated test and measurement systems. LabVIEW is widely used for data acquisition, instrument control, and industrial automation. But why do we need LabVIEW, and why is it such a powerful tool? Why we need LabVIEW? In today's world, engineers and scientists face increasingly complex challenges that require sophisticated and flexible solutions. Traditional programming languages like C++ or Python, while powerful, can be time-consuming and challenging to use for developing measurement and control systems. This is where LabVIEW comes in. Visual programming. LabVIEW uses a graphical programming approach, making it intuitive and easier to visualize how data flows through the system. This reduces development time significantly and allows for rapid prototyping. LabVIEW's integrated development environment is designed specifically for engineering and scientific applications, providing built-in tools for data acquisition, instrument control, data analysis, and visualization. Hardware compatibility. LabVIEW seamlessly integrates with a wide range of hardware devices, making it an ideal choice for developing systems that require interaction with sensors, actuators, and other instruments. This extensive compatibility ensures that LabVIEW can handle a variety of tasks from simple measurements to complex control systems. When and why National Instruments (NI) is a better option? National Instruments, the creator of LabVIEW, has a long-standing reputation for providing high-quality hardware and software solutions for measurement and automation. NI offers a comprehensive ecosystem of hardware and software that is designed to work together seamlessly. This includes data acquisition devices, signal generators, oscilloscopes, and more, all of which can be controlled and automated using LabVIEW. Here are some key hardware options available from NI. NI's DAC devices are designed for high-speed and high-accuracy data acquisition. They support a wide range of sensors and signal types, making them ideal for various applications, from simple temperature measurements to complex multi-channel data logging. PXI is a modular electronic instrumentation platform. PXI systems are highly scalable and provide high-speed data throughput, making them perfect for automated testing and data acquisition applications. NI offers FPGA-based hardware that allows for high speed and deterministic control. FPGAs can be programmed to perform complex signal processing tasks in real time, which is essential for applications that require precise timing and low latency. Reliability and performance. NI hardware is known for its reliability and high performance, making it a trusted choice for mission-critical applications in industries like aerospace, automotive, and healthcare. Support and community. NI provides extensive support resources to help users make the most of their hardware and software. These resources include comprehensive documentation. NI offers detailed documentation for all its products, including user manuals, technical specifications, application notes, and white papers. This documentation helps users understand how to set up, configure, and use their hardware and software effectively. Tutorials and training programs. NI provides a wide range of tutorials and training programs designed to help users at all levels, from beginners to advanced practitioners. These resources include online courses, webinars, and hands-on workshops that cover various aspects of using LabVIEW and NI hardware. Knowledge base. The NI Knowledge Base is an extensive online repository of articles, troubleshooting guides, and frequently asked questions. Users can search the knowledge base to find solutions to common problems and learn tips and tricks for optimizing their applications. NI provides a vast library of example code and pre-built functions that users can leverage to accelerate their development process. These resources include sample programs, templates, and reusable code snippets for a wide range of applications. Conclusion: whether you are working on a small project or a large-scale industrial system, NI's modular hardware and flexible software can scale to meet your needs. LabVIEW's ability to handle complex data acquisition and control tasks makes it ideal for projects of any size. LabVIEW and NI together provide a powerful and flexible solution for engineers and scientists who need to develop sophisticated applications quickly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today on LabVIEW Simplified. I hope you now have a better understanding of what LabVIEW is and why it's such a powerful tool for engineers and scientists. National Instruments' robust ecosystem of hardware and software makes it an exceptional choice for developing sophisticated applications quickly and efficiently. In our next video, I'll guide you through the installation process of LabVIEW, and we'll create our first LabVIEW program together. This will lay the foundation for more advanced projects and applications in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. See you soon and happy coding!